If you want to change the clock icon on the home screen of your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now in this video I will show you two methods on how to change the clock icon on the home screen. The first method is if you want to convert the clock icon into a widget style. And the second method is if you want to change the icon itself. So let's see the first method first. Now for that, just tap and hold on the icon of the clock app. Now at the top of this pop-up menu, you will find the different styles of the clock app. As you can see, only one widget style is available. Just like that. But if you want to customize the clock widget style, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Edit. And from here, just tap on Add Widget. Now you can tap on the clock widget from here, or you can scroll down and you can tap on the clock app. And from here, just select the widget style which you prefer. For an example, I will select this one, then tap on Add Widget, and by doing that, you will add the widget to your home screen. And from here, you can increase or decrease the size of the widget as you like. And once you're satisfied with the size of your widget, then tap on Done to save. Now, as you can see, this is the first method. Now for the second method, first of all, just download a clock icon on your iPhone. As you can see, I have already downloaded this clock icon, but you can download any icon from anywhere. For example, I will show you this website. The icon which I have showed you earlier, I have downloaded it from this website. But you can download your clock icon from anywhere, just like that. Now just select the icon which you prefer, then tap on PNG and select Free Download. And by doing that, you will download the icon on your iPhone. And from here, just go to the download section in your web browser and tap on the icon which we have downloaded. Tap on Share and select Save Image. After you save the image in the Photos app, then for the next step, just open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. After you open the Shortcuts app, in the Library section, just tap on the plus icon. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now after you tap on Open App, then tap on App, and from this app list, just select the clock app. After you do that, then tap on the drop-down arrow and select Rename. And from here, you can rename the shortcut of the clock app to whatever you like. For example, I will name it Clock. Then tap on Done and tap on the eye icon over here. Select Add to Home Screen. Now from here, just select Image. Tap on Choose Photo. And from here, just select the icon which we have downloaded on our iPhone. Now you can crop the photo as you like. I will leave it as it is. Then tap on Choose. Select Add. And once you do that, you will create a shortcut of the clock app on the home screen. Now you can remove the old clock app from your home screen. Just tap and hold on the clock app and select Remove App. Now instead of Delete, just select Remove from home screen. And by doing that, you will remove the clock app from the home screen and it will be saved in the app library. And from here, you can use the shortcut which we have created. Just like that. And this is how you can change the clock icon on the home screen of any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.